Looking for stylish vegan leather bags at a huge discount? Bond& Mason might have already popped up on your radar, claiming up to 70% off on premium bags and accessories. But before you rush to checkout, let's take a closer look to see whether this store is really worth your money or if it's just another risky online gamble. bondandmason.com has been around since 2020, which already sets it apart from the many brand new scam stores that pop up and vanish overnight. And it even holds a 4.2-star rating on Trustpilot, where customers have left mostly good reviews about their purchases. On top of that, their social media presence is pretty strong, with over 20,000 followers on Facebook and more than 14,000 on Instagram, showing that the brand does have some level of credibility and community engagement. The website itself offers a decent range of stylish bags and accessories, presented in a way that feels professional and clean, not rushed or fake like many low-effort scam sites. Another green flag is that Bond & Mason provides clear contact information, including an email address and even a phone number, which is rare for shady stores that usually hide behind fake emails or no details at all. However, it's important to note that discounts of up to 70% always raise a bit of skepticism, because luxury-style products rarely get marked down that much without reason. And some customers have mentioned slower shipping times or delays in refunds when issues arise. So while Bond & Mason doesn't immediately come across as a typical scam store, it's also not flawless, and buyers should be cautious, especially if spending on higher-priced items. In short, Bond & Mason seems to be a mixed bag, some clear positives that suggest legitimacy, but enough small red flags that mean you should think twice and do your research before pulling out your credit card.